Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we still sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have the newest Kayali Boujee Kitty Caramel Milk 22. Okay, so if you're interested in hearing my full thoughts on this fragrance, just keep watching. All right, so is this fragrance versatile? I don't think this fragrance is versatile, in my opinion. And let me tell you why. Like, occasion, right? I feel like this can pretty much be like a quick grab and go, Netflix and chill. Maybe if you want to go to the movies. I don't see this at like a glamour like party or something like that. I don't, right? This, again, my opinion. So if you have a different one, cool girl. Cool. But I just don't see you wearing this at like a glamour event, but something quick grab and go, something like more cozy, comforting. I can see. And also, and we'll get into it more, I'm not sure if this is the season. We'll get into it more, but I'm not sure this is the season. Definitely fall, winter. I think this will be amazing, like kind of what we're coming up on. But on this hot heat type of experience that I am experiencing in the hundreds, 90s, I don't see me reaching for this fragrance, just in my opinion. But let's get more into it. Now, packaging. I love the packaging. I love Kayali's packaging, period. I love the white bottle. I love the pink on this. It's really given like this caramel milk. It's giving this milky type of experience. Like, I do, again, love the packaging, love the white. You can see the juice in the bottle, so I like seeing kind of, the dent that you've made. So yeah, love the packaging. Now, pricing, depending on what size you get, this can run you from I believe $32 to $105. I got this at Sephora. I did not get this pre-ordered because they did have the option to do pre-ordered, but I did have like a $10 gift on my Sephora app or whatever it is. So I wanted to wait until Sephora had it available and open so I can use my $10 discount. So all that to say, you would get either like a travel size, or you can get this, I believe this is like a 50 ml for $105. So that's the pricing. Now, is this more feminine or masculine? I feel like this can be unisex. It depends on just your scent profile and what you like. But I could see a male wearing this, and I could see a woman wearing this. I probably could see more women wearing this. Yeah, I probably could see more women wearing this. Now, this was launched this year. It's new. So let's get into the notes, shall we? Yeah, let's. And actually, there's notes on the back. So we have caramel milk, white chocolate, salted caramel, vanilla caviar, soft musk, and caramel suntal. Okay, so those are the notes that we have. So we got all those deets out the way. Let's get into my full thoughts on this fragrance. Now, do I like this fragrance? Love this fragrance? Don't like this fragrance? I would say I like this fragrance. I would not say that this is a love. Now, I will say what I did love, which made me so interested in this fragrance, is Kayali's marketing is Chef's Kiss. Mona, I love your marketing piece. I love that you use influencers in your campaigns. It was so interesting. I was so looking forward to it. Just like the caramel and the caramel popcorns and the bougie and the spotlights and movie stars. So like I was so excited about this fragrance. Now, what I will say, what I got and experienced. Now, I will say I did not think that this is more so I don't know if the word is like luxury, but it didn't give me like movie star. Let's just say that. Like it didn't give me like this movie star vibe. Now it did give me like popcorn, Netflix and chill, comforting type of experience, right? So I would say like just as far as marketing, if it was more of a pajama party or something like that, I would say like fitting, but I was kind of almost thinking like this was going to be like red carpet type of vibes, but maybe I got a little bit of a different thing with the marketing, but I thought it was going to be like some red carpet bougie type of fragrance. But this is really for me more comforting, soothing type of fragrance. Now, listen when I tell you, you are going to have to like a Latonic fragrance. You're going to actually have to like a caramel fragrance. If you don't like Latonic and caramel, like caramel milk, keyword caramel milk, if you don't like that, you're not going to like it. You actually looking at me like, girl, nope, that was not my jam. Again, you have to love caramel, love Latonic, milky type of fragrances. And that's what I got. Now, for me, does it smell good? It smells delicious. Okay, let's go there. And I am your gourmand girly. So this is right up my alley. It is delicious. It smells good. I do enjoy the note profile of this fragrance. I can appreciate it. I love that, right? But in this season, I wore it and I was like, I was like, you know what? I think let me try again when it's a little bit cooler or like in the fall season. I could definitely see myself spraying this down. But in this hot heat of 90, 100 degrees, yeah, this is definitely fall season worthy. Okay, so if I am looking for a fall fragrance, something to add to my wardrobe for that type of season, yes, this is all there. Now again, you can wear your fragrance anytime and you can have a totally different opinion than mine, and you can say you love this fragrance, it's the best thing that you've ever smelled, and I love that for you, sis. I really do. But for me, it just not in this season. I love this fragrance as far as the note profile, like to be a gourmand girly, like this is it. But again, even if you are gourmand girly but do not like Latonic scent, like milky scent, you're not going to like this. This is definitely giving caramel, milky essence. Okay, I can smell the vanilla. I can smell everything that this says it has, like white caramel, the salted, white chocolate, the salted caramel. I can smell all of that. All of these notes that's in the back of this, spot on. It's in here. I smell them. But again, you're going to have to like that profile. And if you don't, but I will say, a caramel fragrance that I adore, that I feel like is a gourmand, that I can wear in this hot heat of a summer. And I hate to talk about another fragrance, but that I think is suitable for the summer and it's a caramel fragrance, is the House of Beau Boom Bond. Okay. If you have heard me talk about this fragrance, then you are not new to this channel, because I talk about this thing all the time. To a point, I think I actually like a little bit damaged my top a little bit. I think it's stuck in there a little bit. Yeah, girl. Dousing this down to the point of destruction. Anyway, this I could wear the hot heat, and it has a caramel note in this, but to me it also has the floral. This also has a fresh scent that is not off-putting to me for this hot heat, and me smell like a gourmand fresh girly. On the other hand, Kayali fragrance, although again, love the note profile, in this season, I'm not reaching for this. And I'm just going to be completely honest. That's how we are on this channel. Completely honest. But again, do I like this? Yeah. I cannot wait to wear this in the fall and winter to see if this like becomes a love. Because when I tell you, I love a good Latonic fragrance, caramel, vanilla caviar at that, salty notes. You all know, like, this is my jam. If you know me, you know, like salted caramel. This is my jam for real. I just did not get the vibes when I was trying it on in this season. It was just too hot. It's just too hot, girl. I'm gonna try again. Okay. So again, jury is not out. I'm not saying do not get it, but I am saying, girl, caramel and Latonic milky scent. If you don't like those two things, girl, you are not gonna like this. You're not gonna like this, sis. Okay? You not. I'm not gonna hold you up. I'm not gonna waste your time. I'm not gonna waste your time. Not at all. Okay. So that is that's my full thoughts, right? Like, what were your thoughts? Like, did you think like this was the best thing since sliced bread? Were you like, no? Did you say, no, I wasn't getting it anyway because I don't like a Latonic scent? Like, let me know in the comments. What were your thoughts about the new Kayali Boujee Kitty Caramel Milk? Okay. Now listen, the Boujee Kitty, I love the play on the words. But is it kitty because I can hold the cat? Like, it's cozy kitty cat, but it's like bougie because it has the caviar in it, so it adds like this, extraness to it. Is that the thing? Okay. Okay. Hey, you know I'm a stan of Kayali, and whether she gets it right or wrong on my skin, in my opinion, girl, I'm still gonna support Kayali. I'm still gonna have Kayali is the largest collection I have in my wardrobe, and I'm still gonna purchase all of it. Well, until next time, fam, you be good to yourself. You give yourself some grace. And if no one tells you that you're more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.